Elistair launches KHRONOS, a game-changing tethered drone system for challenging environments. Elistair, a renowned leader in long-endurance, tethered unmanned aircraft systems, has officially introduced KHRONOS, a fully automated tethered drone system tailored for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions in challenging, GPS/GNSS-denied, and RF-denied environments. KHRONOS represents a significant milestone for Elistair, remarked Guilhem de Marliave, the CEO of Elistair. Public safety agencies, border patrol units, military forces, and even vehicle integrators have all been looking for a simple, organic, long-endurance ISR asset that can be launched at the push of a button, and now they finally have it. With a decade of experience in developing and delivering tethered drones to customers in more than 70 countries, Elistair has leveraged its expertise to create the 66-pound KHRONOS. This drone can be easily deployed from a transportable dronebox in under 2 minutes, providing a continuous, day/night aerial view over a 10-kilometer radius for an impressive 24 hours. Designed to operate from both fixed and mobile platforms with minimal human input, KHRONOS offers a unique solution, allowing operators to have their own pocket watchtower without a heavy investment in training. The aim behind KHRONOS was clear: we wanted a tethered drone that's straightforward to use, adaptable to various scenarios, integrates seamlessly, and is robust in construction for demanding environments, explained Elistair CTO Timothy Pennett. One of KHRONOS's key features is its ability to function in both GPS/GNSS-denied and RF-denied environments, thanks to its advanced positioning system and secured tethered communications. Additionally, the drone is ruggedized for operation off-road and in poor weather conditions, making it versatile for a range of scenarios. Powered by T-Planner 2, the latest version of Elistair's mission software, KHRONOS benefits from intelligent functions like target tracking, automated object categorization, and cued camera slewing to points of interest. This advanced technology ensures that the drone system is equipped with the latest capabilities for effective and efficient mission execution. Elistair is an established leader, providing tethered drones to customers globally. The company plans to take its innovative KHRONOS system to market in January 2024.